About month number 3, it starts getting a little funky on you. And we don't like no funky spunk around here. Hello babes, it's me, Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, back again to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury. Today I'm going to be trying on some new products, and one is top secret. The brand sent this over to me and wanted me to try it. If you've been watching some of the images I posted on Instagram, I have it on, so you won't be able to tell which product it is. But if you can guess, let me know in the comment section below if you know what it is. However, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to be trying on some new products. Some I got in PR in my role as a beauty tap advisor. As some of you may know, if you check the description box below, you know that I am a skincare and makeup advisor for Beauty Tap. And so a lot of the kind of independent brands that I use here on this channel have been from Beauty Tap and my affiliation with them. So today I'm going to be trying out 2 products, and the first one I'm actually going to put on right now. This is the Natural L'Amour Mongolia. This is a rose hip oil, handmade. Isn't that pretty? Bottle is so cute. Rose hip has a number of skincare properties. So as I put this on, let me give you a little bit of information about the product. It is an antioxidant, and it's a rich daily facial moisturizer that absorbs quickly into the skin, and it enhances the skin's elasticity, which was what Rose Hip does, and it also helps to even out the skin tone. This product is under $30, and I will tell you, it works so well on the skin. It's like you're sliding on like something luxurious onto the skin. So who this is best for: if you have uneven skin tone or dark spots or just acne scars, anything that you want to clear up, you can utilize this. This also, although it's for evening use, if you're putting on makeup, you can also use this as a primer. So now we're going to utilize the foundation, and the foundation to me is not new. I've had it for a while. This is the Christian Dior Forever Skin Glow. Now this is not the newest one that just came out, and you know, I'm on a low buy, low or no, but right now it's on a low. It's on the low. Anywho, this foundation I love, and what I've been doing lately is just using one pump to cover the entire face, giving it just a hint of foundation, but not really covering up every single thing. I'm going to do my brows really quickly. Again, I'm going to use Dior, not new, but I'm almost done with this. Can you believe I'm almost done with this? I've had this since the middle part of last year. This has lasted me a long time. I know I dip out every now and then and use other things, but for this to have lasted this long, and she's still got a lot of life left on her too. Well worth the spend, honey. What other product do you know you pay $30 for and you can have it for over a year? I'll wait while you tell me, okay? Because none of the drugstores, and believe me, I've tried, last this long. About month number 3, it starts getting a little funky on you. And we don't like no funky spunk around here. Anywho, getting back to these brows, let me digress. That's it. That's all you need to do for the eyes. It's just to put that brow on there, and it sets itself. It gives you color. It lasts a long time, and it does not clump or get flaky like some of those other ones, and you know I've tried, give you. So it doesn't give you that at all. I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, don't mind the hair. This is a week that Bella thought that she can do just as good a job as her hairstylist, because as you know, I hate waiting, and she always has me waiting a long time. So I have taken it upon myself. Oh, I've got to put some powder underneath. Let's do that while I'm talking trash. So I decided I am not going, this is Kat Von D, an oldie but goodie, but it helps when you're getting ready to do an eye look, just to have a little something on there, just in case you get any fallout. So yeah, she takes a long time, and I just cannot in good conscience continue to just wait, because in my line of business I can't afford to just sit for 5 hours and not do something. There's lots going on, especially now in my business life. A lot is going on, and I'm trying to do more with this channel. So yeah, I don't have 5 hours to sit and wait. So I blow dried, I washed it and blow dried it myself. I will have to go to her because I cannot color my own hair. I can, but it gets everywhere. It gets really messy, and I'm like, I'm not messing up my house to put color on. I'd rather go to the salon. I'll probably go on a Saturday early in the morning where I can just get there, do what I gotta do, and go back. The grays aren't coming in as quickly as they normally do, so I don't know if my hair has stopped growing. That has been a concern of mine lately, because I really haven't been getting the same kind of retention growth wise that I normally do. I am putting on the Dior Backstage Eye Palette, which I got just before the holidays, and I think I might have used this one time. So I'm like, ma'am, we're not wasting any product over here. We are going to be utilizing all of these eyeshadows that you got before your no-buy, before you even think about getting something else. Although I did order the new Love Collection by Pat McGrath. Stay tuned. Anywho, don't tell my accountant. And if you're watching this, accountant, stop watching. Told you stop watching me. Stop watching me before you start yelling at me. Anywho, let's continue before I get a phone call. I think I'm gonna do this row right here. And so I'm gonna start with the lightest one in the center. Guys, I love the Dior Backstage. Like, the embossings on their products are so cute. Okay, this is like a shimmer. So though I'm putting it in the crease, I'm actually gonna bring it all across the eye. Oh, this is a pretty shade. You can do a one and done with this easy. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I hope you can see that. I'm gonna go do the other eye now. Ooh. I'm excited. I love when I pick up things and I start playing with them, especially here on camera, and give you like a real first impressions, which I don't think I ever did with this palette, this eyeshadow palette. So forgive me, guys. Forgive me, my Bellas. I have been really lax at bringing you kind of a variety. I've been so stuck on Pat McGrath. She's worthy. Yes, she is. She's worthy to be stuck on, but I've got a lot of other stuff besides Pat McGrath. So I need to kind of step out and widen my net a little bit. Okay, we're gonna take this green right here. You know, other than pink, green is my next favorite. I love it. We're gonna throw that right in the outer V, but we're gonna make kind of like a C, and then we're gonna extend it out just a little bit. And I can see right now, like, these two frosted shimmer shades on top of each other are just magnificent. They really are beautiful together. I got 2 liners from my job as well, from CLE Cosmetics. This is the Fluid Touch Liquid Eyeliner. I have one in dark brown and the other one is in black. I'm going to use the dark brown because that's not a color I typically use as a liner here, especially as a liquid liner. But, oh, I love the packaging. It has a nice little heft to it. They say it is a long-lasting waterproof eyeliner that nourishes and is gentle enough for sensitive eyes. So if you have sensitive eyes, which I have contacts, so that kind of makes my eyes sensitive, that this is a good product for that. It says the liner's artfully flat brush. Ooh, let's see the brush. Okay, okay. The liner's artful flat brush is designed for easy, ultra precise definition, creating everything from fine lines to thick flicks with ease. So you shake it well, which I did before applying. Use very light pressure for fine exact lines and add more pressure to create a thicker, bolder eyeliner look. After applying, we suggest letting the liner set around the eyes for 10 seconds before fully opening your eyes for optimal application. Store horizontally when not at use. Okay, because I usually store my liners like this. They say to store it horizontally. Good to know. All right, let's begin. And again, this is dark brown. And I am going to start off with a finer line and then slowly go in to make it deeper before I start to flick it outward to create a wing. I'm going to tell you, it's very pigmented. It's very soft. Okay, I love it. I love it. All right, let's go to the problem eye now, because you all know this left eye always gives me issues with creating symmetry when it comes to putting on eyeliner. If you are like me and eyeliner usually is not your thing, but every now and then you want to do like a little wing, I have to say this is very nice. I think one is thicker than the other. Let me thicken up this one just a tad. Perfect. Look at that. Come on, Shannon, with the symmetry. I see you, girl. I see you. In here being a beauty influencer and all that. All right, pumpkin. No, this was really good. This was really good. I am pleasantly surprised because usually I don't get that worked up over eyeliners. I have them, but they're really not my thing. Like, I'm just like, I could do without it. But these seem to work really well, and I have to remember to store them horizontally so that they don't dry out, or you know, the product builds up in it and we don't have this beautiful look we're looking at right here. I love it. And now let's use the MAC Magic Extension. All right, now for this I am going to work inside first and flick it up, curling my lashes. just in the middle, and then I'm going to start to coat each lash on the outside. I find that for my lashes, it really helps to kind of thicken them up without them being clumpy. All right, we're back. We're back. I have completed the entire face, and I gotta say, I am loving discovering my stash, mixing it in with a little newness. Thank you for the PR beauty tap. And yeah, I love the facial oil, and the liners were really good as well. I tried the dark brown on here. It does not look dark brown, like it looks pretty deep. So I would say you can get either dark brown or black. It's going to give you, maybe the black will give you a little bit more deepness because it is ebony, but honey, this dark brown is no slouch. It's no slouch at all. So I really love that. And the rest of the products as well, including my secret product. Again, if you're new and you like what I do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as well as my old people, don't forget to give me a thumbs up too. Now you ain't too seasoned not to know how to do that, okay? All right, thank you. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. If you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button and then tap that notification bell so you're notified each and every time that I upload or go live. And until next time, you have now been Bellified.